Welcome back to Top Traveling Tips. If you're planning your next adventure, choosing the right luggage is crucial to ensure that your belongings are safe and secure while you travel. With so many options out there, it can be tough to decide which brand to choose. Here are the best luggage brands for your next adventure, along with some useful details about each one. Samsonite. This brand is known for its durability, making it a great choice for frequent travelers. Samsonite suitcases feature multi-directional spinner wheels, making it easy to navigate busy airports, and TSA-approved locks to keep your belongings secure. Many Samsonite suitcases also have expandable compartments, providing extra space for souvenirs or other items you pick up along the way. Tumi is a luxury brand favored by business travelers and frequent flyers. Their suitcases are not only stylish but also functional, with features like compression straps to keep your clothes in place, removable garment bags to help you stay organized, and integrated USB ports for charging your devices on the go. Rimowa. If you're looking for a high-end brand that combines sleek design with durability, Rimowa is a great choice. Their aluminum suitcases are lightweight yet sturdy, making them perfect for long trips or rough terrain. Rimowa suitcases also feature TSA-approved locks and adjustable dividers, so you can keep your belongings organized and secure. Away. If you're on a budget but still want a stylish and functional suitcase, Away is a great choice. Their suitcases feature built-in USB chargers, so you can keep your devices powered up while you travel, and laundry bags to keep your dirty clothes separate from your clean ones. Plus, all Away suitcases come with a lifetime warranty, so you can travel with peace of mind. Osprey. For backpackers and hikers, Osprey is a great brand to consider. Their backpacks are designed with comfort and durability in mind, with adjustable straps, padded hip belts, and waterproof materials. Many Osprey backpacks also feature external pockets and compartments, making it easy to access your gear on the go. No matter which brand you choose, investing in a quality piece of luggage can make all the difference on your next adventure. Happy travels!